Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Centel.io token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. They are only research for the investing. According to the white paper, Centel is a blockchain infrastructure platform that simplifies participation in network validation like staking and running master nodes through pooled shared services, democratizes infrastructure access. It lowers the high capital and technical barriers typically required to run validators on master nodes by pooling user funds. Hybrid on-off-chain system uses on-chain smart contract for transparent reward management and off-chain system for efficient node operation and maintenance. Omnichain native tokens. The CNT token is built as an omnichain fungible token OFT designed for seamless movements across multiple blockchains without wrapped versions. Centel.io project institution rating is 3.6. Centel domain order supply is 9 billion and circulating supply is around 7 billion. CNT token. CNT token is listed on Bitmart, Lbank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you on this project, to 70% chance is that it is a lazy dog project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.